Welcome to this video. So we're just going to make keys to this CX5. We've just issued the door. I just got the door open. Here's the push button start ignition. We've got the push button start there. So we're going to program in two new keys, and it is a CX5 November 2012. All keys lost. The Sky Active. Alright, let's get into it. Yeah. Alright, so we just made two new keys for the car, so we'll lock the car. Unlocked. Let's put the remote just up here, foot on the brake. All keys lost, CX3, all done. Thanks for watching.